I'm Artur, a drone pilot from Portugal. And this is my year in Nazaré. It all starts here in the quiet harbor. But out there, the ocean turns wild. My drone and I chase the giants, capturing the world's biggest waves and the fearless riders who take them on. From the sky, I see it all. Power, chaos, and pure adrenaline. Welcome to Nazaré.